Hey folks, how's it going? This is Fred Levi. In this video, what I wanted to do is I wanted to talk to you guys about the importance of keeping on top of your student loans. And what do I mean by this? A lot of times people come to me for credit repair. As we go through their credit analysis, what we come to find is they have multiple student loans that are affecting them in a negative way because they have too many loans in a negative light that they haven't been paying on. So what this video is here to do is to help educate you guys on the importance and reasons why we like to get those loans consolidated. And that reason being is when you consolidate the loans, if you're going to be late, it's better to be late on one than to be late on many. Now, the way student loans works, and a lot of people are confused by this, is they think that they've only had one loan, one or two loans. They don't understand that there's multiple loans, and the way that the loans are distributed aren't all at the same time. And each time there's a distribution of that loan, that creates a new loan as far as your student loans are concerned. So this video here is just to let you know that one of the services that we do provide is student loan consolidation. It helps you to take a whole bunch of loans and get them dropped down to having, one or two loans. So that way, in the case that you guys do happen to be late, it's better to be late on one or two rather than on 10 or 20 or whatever the case might be. So with that being said, I wanted to just bring this information out to you guys. I will be dropping videos periodically to give you guys tips and tricks on how you guys can go ahead and help increase your guys' scores by doing simple things such as a student loan consolidation. If this is a service that you may be interested in, feel free to give us a call toll free at 1-800-972-3970. Send us an email at info@approvedmyscore.com or reach out in any other ways you might find. You might see us on Facebook at facebook.com/approvedmyscore. So with that being said, if you guys have any questions or concerns, or maybe even a topic that you'd like me to touch on, leave it in the comment below. Make sure to share this video with those that you feel might benefit from the information. Please like the video and subscribe and hit that bell notification so that way when we drop a video you'll be notified. I want to thank you guys again for watching this video, taking a few minutes out with me on a Friday afternoon. And with that being said, you guys have a great day.